Hello, family. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookie bars. I was too lazy to make regular cookies, be at the oven for hours. So I just made them into bars and frosted. Come join me. I was hungry for chocolate chip cookies, but I just didn't want to spend the whole day with cookies in the oven. So I am going to make chocolate chip cookie bars. We're going to do it the easy way. Still tastes the same. I have the oven on 375, and I greased a cookie sheet like this. First thing I'm going to do is 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup, softened. We're going to do that. Sticky. All right. We're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Okay, 3/4 cup of brown sugar packed. And 3/4 cup of white sugar. I'm going to give this a whirl here. Okay, I'm going to add to that the liquid stuff. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm adding 2 eggs. We're going to give this a whirl. Okay. Now, I just want to make sure all of it's in there here. Scrape it down.
Honey, my gold bars is missing. Did you go and buy eggs?
I did. So fun. Okay. Yep, that's my husband. Okay. All right. We're going to switch over to the other beaters here. As soon as I get these cleaned off and then wash my gloves. Oh, my dog's having a fit. It snowed yesterday and now the sun is coming out. So today, and the snow's falling off the roof, making noises, and she thinks the world's coming to an end. Hey, baby girl, you don't need to go out there. Come on. Goodness sakes. Yeah, she's like Chicken Little. Sky is falling. Okay, I got my salt and my baking soda, and I need 2 1/4 cup of flour. I don't know if she went out on the porch. The door was left open a little bit and she went out there. Now she probably won't come in the house because she thinks the house is falling apart. Poor baby. Come here, baby girl. All is okay. The sky is not falling. Come on, baby girl. Come on here with Mom and Daddy. I don't want you out there all scared. Come on. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to give that a mix. I'm going to go check on my dog here. Oh, okay, I had a hard time getting her in. She was shaking. You're okay, baby girl. Oh, you're okay. Come here. Come on, you're okay. You're okay. Come here, baby girl. Oh, she's going to run to see Daddy. He'll put her under. Oh, she's freaked out. Yesterday, she went into a panic mode because the plow went by, and to her it sounded like thunder. I just want to make sure this is good and mixed before I add the chocolate chips. Okay, I probably should have used my bigger my KitchenAid, but I didn't want to haul it over here. All right, I have to put chocolate chips on the list. It says about 2 cups, but you know me. We'll see. You can add nuts too, but no. I don't want to. Let's see. We'll see how that looks. 'Cause the more chocolate, the better for me. I've been so hungry for chocolate lately. I've actually been waking up in the middle of the night wanting chocolate. That's it. That's an addiction. But I didn't go for it. I didn't go for it. All right. We did it. That's as simple as that, people. Simple, simple. Always remember to unplug appliances. All right. Now we're just going to spread this out. It's a thick batter. I got this recipe online from Nestle Toll House Recipes. It says just spread it in the pan, so let's do that here. I'm going to get my little thing. Here we go. Spread it out as best I can here. I don't think it's going to... It's pretty sticky, so I'm going to have to push it around here to spread it out. Kind of like a pizza dough. And these gloves are so sticky, and they don't fit me. But, you know, you get what's cheap. And it keeps my hands clean. All right, and we're getting it here. Okay, we got it all the way. All the way. Now, we're going to put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. And we'll be back. Okay, they're out of the oven. I think I left them in maybe like 3 or 4 minutes too much, but they're still going to be good. And we will cut them when they cool down, and we're going to try them. Okay, I decided to frost these with this. Yum. Here you go. Have a bite. Really good. Just like a chocolate chip cookie. Soft, chocolatey, and not as messy to me. Easier to handle and didn't take long at all. Mix it up 20 minutes, about 20 minutes. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.